are proven tips to increase affiliate sales. 1. Recommend, don't force. One of the major reasons most people don't be able to increase their affiliate-related product sales is because they force. If you are going too aggressive to make someone to buy, they probably won't do it. Instead of selling like a sales guy, recommend why they should use the products. Show them all the benefits they would be getting with the products you promote. 2. Create awareness. Any successful sales funnel starts with awareness. Make sure to give your audience a clear picture of what you are selling from your blogs. Once they know what type of products you promote, sell, it becomes easy for you to build awareness about them. You can use your blog posts as a way to create awareness about your products. Having an email list also comes in handy if you want to educate your audience about the products you recommend. 3. Build a connection. Treat your audience like your family. Don't treat them like buyers. If you are genuinely interested in solving your audience problems through the products you promote, they will gladly buy what you recommend. For that, you need to stay in touch with your blog readers through blog comments, social media platforms, or emails. 4. Create a sales funnel to convert visitors into buyers. You need to find a way to convert your website visitors into sales. For that, you need a proper sales funnel. Observe any profitable blog that makes passive income by selling affiliate-related products. You will notice one thing: they all have a sales funnel. Most beginners to internet marketing forget to create a funnel that turns normal visitors into buyers. If you are one among them, immediately spend time on creating a funnel. Here's how you can do it. 5. Make sales. Once you have successfully nurtured your visitors into prospects in the above steps, you will build a great platform to make more sales. This is the sales phase where your sales depend on how good you implemented the above stages. Rinse and repeat the same for every product you create, promote. That's the way successful marketers make passive income each month from their blogs and websites. 6. Answer, what's in it for them? Offer some incentive or an attractive offer. Focus on what you offer to your audience. If they don't find any value in your products, they simply won't buy. Always ask yourself, what's in it for them if they buy from me? If you are able to answer the above question, you're already on your way to making decent income from your efforts. If not, here's an incredible way to increase affiliate sales. If you are new to affiliate marketing, make sure to offer some incentives exclusively for the people who buy from you. It can be anything from giving away your premium ebooks to designing a logo, if you're a designer. 7. Offer free services. It's a great idea to offer some free services in exchange for website sales. Suppose I am promoting WordPress web hosting offers from some of leading web hosts like HostGator and Bluehost on my blog. I could easily improve my sales by offering services like free WordPress installation of certain plugins and themes, or offering basic SEO services to the newly launched WordPress blogs if they happen to sign up to a web host using my affiliate link. Also, asking your friends to create a WordPress blog is a great idea to boost your sales, especially if you are focusing on web hosting promotion sales like Bluehost. Create awareness in your friends and tell them how can they make money from blogs so that they would be curious to launch a website for themselves too. That way you are not only increase your sales from web hosting companies, but you are also helping your friends to use their time better to make money online. 8. Don't promote more than 2 products at any given time. If you are a beginner, it's a waste of time to promote more than 2 products at a time. Why? Firstly, you are still in the process of building audience. Secondly, you will confuse your readers if you promote more number of products. So stick to 1 or 2 products. Educate your blog audience about these products and you will have fair chances in making money by promoting them. Also, you can better use your banner ads on the top of your sidebar and end of the posts if you are promoting less products. 9. Right product selection is the key. You can't make money online just by selling every product under the sun. It's impossible to make money from all the products. It's a smart move if you pick a handful of products to promote. Make sure you are promoting the products that are extremely relevant to your website audience. You can use sites like CJ to find great products to promote. 10. Commission junction. Before discussing in detail about increasing sales, you need to make sure you are promoting the right kind of products to your audience. I have seen some health-related blogs running the web hosting and themes-related banners. I'm sure they are not going to get any significant sales from such actions and are just wasting their website space for the promotion of unrelated products. So if you are blogging about how to blog and web hosting offers etc., then only you should run web hosting and domain registration related campaigns on your blog. But since there are lots of web hosts and domain name registration websites to choose from, how to make the right website selection? You should think of promoting those products only that you are using in person and are fully satisfied with. It's a good idea to read customer reviews about a product before start promoting it on your website. You should gain detailed knowledge about the product you are going to promote so that you can answer some of your readers' questions related to that product. 11. Focus on increasing your conversion rates. Let us clarify you one thing. There's no point of generating 1,000 visitors a day to your websites if none of them are buying your products. It's a smart idea to generate even 100 visits a day and bring 3 to 5 sales from them rather than focusing on increasing your website traffic. So clearly conversion greater than traffic. First off, make sure to analyze your current website analytics and conversion data so you can easily find out whether you are in the right direction or not, and you can also figure out where the bottlenecks are, so you can easily fix what's missing in your website to increase sales. Here's a proven strategy to increase your website conversion rates in 2021 and beyond. A. Perform A/B testing. A/B test your calls to action to see which one gets more visitors to click. A/B testing, which is also known as split testing, is a technique for increasing your website's conversion rate. For instance, if you had 2 various headlines for your landing page and you couldn't decide which to use, you could simply perform A/B testing to see which headline works better to increase conversion, which is click-through rates in this case. Here, how it looks like. B. Conversion A/B test. As you can see from the above image, variation B got higher conversion when compared to variation A, and that's how A/B split testing helps you decide which works better for you. Here are a few things to test for performing better A/B testing. 1. The headline is the most important thing. On the average, 5 times as many people read the headline as read the body copy. It follows that, if you don't sell the product in your headline, you have wasted 80% of your money. 2. Page layout and navigation, and see if you want to keep or remove your menu, sidebar, footer section etc. The offer, along with various discounts and call to actions. 3. You can also use a video or short or long copy to promote your products to see which form of content is working well. 4. You can use tools like Crazy Egg to easily perform A/B split testing to check your copy, compare headlines, do split testing and more quickly, and we personally use this tool, which is worth every penny to increase your product sales. 5. If you're looking for a free tool for A/B testing, give a try to Google Optimize, where you can use your Google Analytics data to identify key segments of users to target your users.